Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Gmail account storage is full. You might not be able to send receive email. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Gmail account, tap on Gmail. Next, tap on your Gmail profile. After that, tap on Manage your Google account. Scroll down little bit. Tap on Payment and Subscription. You can see that account storage is full. Tap on this. You can see that clear apps page. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. Tap on Clear by Service, Google Photo, Google Drive and Gmail. Delete. Tap on delete. All delete. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.